I'm going to make another video about Doge, and actually, this is based on a number of articles to read through this. So it's obviously it's malevolence, it's nihilism. It's not like these people were doing this stuff on accident. They were doing it on purpose, knowing full well that it is destructive for other people. And it's amazing that these people would feel entitled to other people's money, to spend other people's money. So, just real quick, one article says Bill Gates Foundation was given $30 million from U.S. aid since 2012, and this is his vaccine programs and everything else. Why the hell would our government be giving Bill Gates money? That doesn't make any sense. This guy, people like him don't pay any taxes. And personally, I'm for not paying zero income tax. Nobody should be paying income taxes. But this guy, why would our government be giving Bill Gates money? And his vaccine program, well, we all know why, right? It's about population control. It's about making people sick with his pseudo vaccines. So we got another article that there again. This is a clip of some Democrats. These are partisans, like quote unquote news. I'll put a link in the description below. They're talking about like they want to arrest people working for Musk and this Doge audit. These people are being attacked. They want to arrest them. How dare you expose our crimes? How dare you expose our money laundering and using your money against you? How dare you? These people, we're going to arrest these people as if, like part of this is that they're really on their own bubble. They actually, I think in part that they actually believe that they're not criminals and that everybody else are criminals. That people like you and I are criminals because we're not nihilists, right? We don't want to destroy Western civilization on purpose. If you're a person of logic and reasoning, according to these people, you're a criminal. So I'll put a link in the description with that one. But it's absurd. These people really are in their own bubble. And my God, these people need to get away from any kind of power whatsoever. These see, there's a saying, the old saying, power corrupts and absolute power corrupts absolutely. I actually kind of disagree with that. It's that corrupt people seek power. And these are corrupt people that are seeking power. Next article. A little bit of good news. Doge gains access to FEMA systems. And what I'm really waiting for is them to gain access to the IRS and to the Pentagon and places like that. I'd love to see that. But FEMA, you think about the hurricane victims. You think about FEMA giving illegal migrants all this money, giving them, basically a credit card, free air travel, but giving the victims in North Carolina of that Hurricane Helene, they're giving out loans, like onerous loans of $750 that they have to pay back. I made a video about that before. But can you imagine that? Given illegal migrants? That just goes to show you where their priorities are. FEMA should probably just be abolished completely. But I would love to see what's in FEMA. U.S. aid is just the tip of the iceberg. FEMA is going to be, I think, even more interesting to see the fraud and abuse and the contempt for the American people that these people have. Next article. Obama judge, and I think I talked about this, it was yesterday or the day before yesterday, about putting a stop. The judge that Obama appointed, one of these legal activists, really these people should be disbarred. Clearly anti-American. Is ordering Elon Musk to destroy all evidence that is criminal in nature, that's connected to the government. I'll read the headline. This is an InfoWars headline. Uh, Panicked Obama judge issues illegal ruling ordering Musk to destroy all evidence of government fraud obtained by Doge in the last 2 weeks. Can you imagine that? You know, one of the things when you're in that kind of position, when you're a judge, I mean, you have a background of legal. I mean, you were probably a lawyer at one point. You know, you have a legal background, and you swore an oath to protect the Constitution of the United States. So you have an obligation to side with the facts, with the facts of reality, with reason and rationality and the law, right? And can you imagine? Clearly, you're protecting lawbreakers in government. See, this is not a judge. This is somebody who is in a position of power that should not be in a position of power. You know, and it goes to show you just how screwed up our government is in these places where you get people like Obama, Biden, Bush Jr. had put these people in power that should not be in power. So I'll put a link in that description below as well. So anyway, enjoy that. I'm sure there's plenty more to talk about with this government audit. Stay tuned.